Hello guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go unboxing on this SHiFT red drone, and I'm gonna show you guys what this guy's all about and compare this to a Ryze Tello, the size comparison and the propellers. You guys can see here. But the good thing about this SHiFT red drone, you would say, is the fact that it's just, you know, different compared to other mini micro level drone out there in the market. So this one's gonna come with the controller with the ring. It's kind of weird. It's like one of those just use one, I guess, one controller. And yeah, this one right here got intelligent flight. It has quick shots. It has active track. It has micro SD card on it, and it's already how you call this, USB-C. And I think the battery on this one is the same thing as a Ryze Tello, but we're gonna go ahead and compare this to a Ryze Tello and let's see what it's all about and go from here. So interesting here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up here. Put that there. And so super excited, man. I know Christmas just passed, but this one is cool because the lights here, it's like the future, you know, 2020. And I think this one just released anyway around this month. And I know it's probably been announced like a few months or 3 months ago, but you guys can see it will be here. Wow. Quality, it's kind of weird. But see that? It has 2 sensing on that one. And I think this one's probably gonna hover in the wind better. So sorry guys, you guys can see the fireworks out there. It's this New Year's Eve here in America. So that's why you're gonna hear this fireworks outside. And it comes with this SHiFT here. Pretty interesting. Feels different. Feels like slippery though. I don't know. Be a controller, you don't want something slippery like this. You'll probably drop it. But it has a USB-C. I think this actually works on other drones. This is how it's kind of weird how this thing works. Very interesting. This will be my first actually using this controller. And this is the ring that goes in. I don't even know which side. I think this right here, I mean, this really no brainer, you know. You see that look like it's a sensor in the bottom, and I think this is how you ship it. That's what they call it, SHiFT drone or something. And you can go both sides. If you're left-handed or right-handed, it's even better because you can control one side of your arm or another. See that? It's very interesting on this guy here. Okay, what else in scene here? What else? So it comes with instruction. Okay, comes with instructions already. And what's this one here? Okay, so this is the Propeller Guards. Very interesting. Let's go ahead and open this up. The Propeller Guards on this one is kind of weird. Look like one of those alien. Feels cheap though. It feels flimsy. See, this is the thing about, you know, micro level drones. It's just, you know, it's not as stiff as Tello, you know, propellers. Okay, that's Propeller Guards. Most of them are really soft. Okay, what else goes here? It comes with this box. I think that's it on that box. So you're gonna go ahead and, okay, it comes with this USB-C. All right, it does come with a USB-C. All right, and this is the battery. So that's it. This is what you get. I think they have like a combo also that you can get, but right now that's not even available. Pretty lightweight. I don't know how many flight time this is gonna give me. Let me see what's the ampage on this one here. Yes, it's 11. It's 11 milliamp, 3.7 volt. We're gonna go ahead and see if I don't know. It feels lightweight. Hopefully, it ain't gonna hurt flight time on this drone. But let me go ahead and put this out the way. And okay, it did not come with the propellers. What's going on? Oh, it did come. I'm sorry. It did come with propeller guards. I would say. And it comes with the extra propellers. And it comes with a micro SD card. That's a good thing about this one. Hopefully, then the next Ryze Tello is gonna come with the SD card built into it, and it's gonna have a better, you know, of signal what they're using. And then you get this one right here, and yeah, and this is the, I don't know what this company is doing, but all of this little micro drone, they're using these propellers, like the cheap version. I mean, this is the problem, you know, especially when you have a small drone like this, you want a propellers like a Ryze Tello. Because the reason why I'm saying that, because oh boy, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off for a second. And look at the comparison, all right, for the Ryze Tello. You see that? That's the difference. That's the reason why this Tello can fly in an they call this in pretty much extreme environment weather, because you know, the way it's designed, the propellers are designed this way, and you also have that two bottom position sensing. The same thing with the mini drone here. You guys can see. So most likely, if you got micro level drone, you want something. You see that? If you have the Mavic Air, or if you see in the DJI Spark or the Mavic Air, I would say they both have that, and that's what the Ryze Tello had. That's the reason why it can hover in the wind like butter. If you guys did not see my video, go ahead and check it out, man, because you know it's gonna show you guys exactly what this Tello can do. It can handle pretty strong wind. But anyway, like I just said, the propellers here is weak. This is gonna be a problem, and it's probably gonna be louder too, because it's gonna be flopping around the wind or while it's trying to get some thrust. And let's go ahead and check out the battery here. Okay, the battery's a little bit longer compared to Ryze Tello here. And you can see I had this battery for a long time now too. This battery probably went in the water, because you guys already know Ryze Tello can can survive even though you submerge it underwater. But let's go ahead and look at the amperage on this one. Yep, it's 11 milliamps. So we're gonna go ahead, and we're supposed to have a Thai flight time here, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see what's all about. And let's look at the drone comparison. It pretty much weigh almost the same without no batteries. But Ryze Tello quality is a little bit more. I mean, this one is pretty good too. The quality on this one is not bad. It's pretty SHiFT, so that's a good thing. So it looked like a coffin though. I mean, I don't know, in my opinion, guys. Like kind of like a 3DR Solo. Has that coffin look to it. This one right here is supposed to be transparent, so when you go like this, it looks like it's flying. I don't know why they did that. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about. And that's the camera. And I don't know, I mean, this is supposed to be a 1080p, but we're gonna go ahead and see what the quality, but you guys can go ahead and check it out. The camera on the Tello and the camera on this SHiFT drone. But you can see here, this is the bottom position sensing. This look like there's more now on the this drone. So this drone right here might I would say much better compared to the other micro level drones out there, like the Mambo, the Xiaomi Me Too drone, and also the Thai drone. If you guys seen that video, I did all this test for you guys out there. If you guys check out my link, I did that already. But the comparison here, so it seems like this drone's a little bit bigger than the Tello. You can see here the size comparison. You know, Tello is a little bit shorter. See that? It's a little bit shorter. See, like, look at that. It's the wideness. I mean, look at the comparison. Like, this is wide already with the cheapo propellers. Maybe if I put Ryze Tello propellers, might be better. But I'm gonna go and check it out what this thing can do. It's supposed to shoot 1080p. And it can carry an SD card, so that's where the SD card slot over there on the side. And yeah, and the battery you guys can see, and also the battery is much bigger. So let's go ahead and see the weight comparison now when you put the battery on. You know, I should put the SD card in. You know, I'm not even gonna put the SD card on there yet. Okay, how this battery? Okay, it's kind of weird. Okay, so the battery I think go this way. And then you just use a thumb or your nail to, golly. It's gonna be a pain in that. Oh wow, you gotta like press it down. That's a good thing, so it will not fall off in flight. And you can see here Ryze Tello. Let's go ahead, let's take this battery in. It just got in there. So, comparison, weight's about almost the same. It's about the same, almost the same size here, what you guys seeing. But Tello is a little bit smaller. It's a little bit smaller compared to for this SHiFT drone here. Again, look at it. Like, if you put the motor from here, you see the difference. It's about an inch, man. Like, look at that. So you have that much clearance. And also by having it right here, you see the motor, if I put it like this, right? And look at the back. So you have, yeah, so basically this drone's a little bit bigger than Tello. You know, I don't have a weight scale here with me, but the weight's it's almost the same, I would say. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and showing you guys what this all about, this two drone here. And of course, this one comes with SD card. I don't know why, Ryze Tello. Hopefully the second version would come with this SD card. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about this. Okay, so this is $300. So this, oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and put the propellers on. You know, this is a $300 drone. And hopefully the video quality will, you know, hopefully the video quality would be better. I think this is how it goes. And it's kind of weird how you clip it on. Okay. The propellers look like it's flimsy. Look at it. It's like, okay. By doing this, you can break your motor already. So, that's weird. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the back. Okay. Okay, it's on there. See what I'm talking about? It's really, it's very flimsy. And it's pretty wide. I mean, look at Tello. When you compare Tello now with this right here like this, look how big this SHiFT drone. And let's go ahead and put Ryze Tello Propeller Guards. Sorry guys, it's New Year. Like I said, hear those fireworks in there. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this thing handles on the wind. It seems like, hopefully it's aerodynamic enough. But like I said, the propellers are ready. By looking at it, I don't think it's gonna do it. But if I put Ryze Tello, it might fly a little bit better. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about though. I know I keep saying that because I'm not, by me owning this, you know, look at the propeller, so flimsy. It just reminds me of the Mambo and the Xiaomi, and also the, I think the Xiaomi propeller is a little bit better. I would say the TI drone or the Wingsland S6 is almost like that too. So you can see the comparison now. I'm putting it right here for you guys. So Tello is still smaller with the propellers. You can still see, you know, you have that much gap. You have like an inch gap already. And of course it's higher because of the leg. So yeah, I would say it's about the same weight. This Ryze Tello battery is pretty beefy. Yeah, it's the weight is like a similar right now, if you know, comparing it together. But with this drone here, with this SHiFT drone, you get this. Hopefully I can use this to Ryze Tello, but we'll see. That ever happen. Like again, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm just giving you guys the options here and showing you guys what's these two drones all about. Of course, this is the newest drone. It just came out like maybe now, 2020. It's just been released now. And this one right here has been, this is like, this Ryze Tello is almost like 2 years old already. So he had his time. And I think it's time for a second version. DJI. Hopefully you'll add a active track or more feature. And here you go. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.